This forgotten truck survived a wildfire
and vanished for over 30 years.
Buried beneath a collapsed fire station. Most people believed it was beyond saving. But what we found changed everything. A secret hidden inside revealed its final mission. We brought a forgotten legend home. Some stories refuse to disappear. This truck once protected an entire wilderness. The location had remained hidden for decades.
We had one chance to find it.
The journey began before first light.
In 1948, Dodge built a truck for the toughest terrain.
It served here until the day everything changed. And there it was, waiting in silence. The final miles had to be crossed on foot. The wildfire had left its mark everywhere. The station had not been touched in decades. We finally saw the truck. Time had not been kind. The truck still carried its history. No one had opened this door in years. And inside, the truck told its story. One obstacle stood between us and the truck.
We had to secure the building first.
Piece by piece, the truck emerged. The truck had nearly become part of the canyon. It needed wheels before it could move. After decades, it finally moved. The journey out had only just begun. The Power Wagon had finally reached the workshop. The fire had left permanent scars. We would need a new plan to save it. The fire had destroyed nearly every wire. Now the rebuilding could begin. The restoration started with a straight foundation.
For the first time in decades, it breathed again.
The discovery was extraordinary. The truck had kept a record of its final days. The final mission was written in detail. The truck was ready for its final transformation.
It was time to return where the story began.
The truck was heading back to its final mission.
It climbed the trail once more.
Nothing here had changed, except the truck. History was repeating itself.
He never expected to see it again. The final piece returned home.
It stood watch over the canyon once again. The wilderness remembered its guardian. Some legends are restored. Others are returned home.